No one, human or machine, should be allowed to grade their own homework. Now, we've known this about people for over 100 years, but nobody told the AI. I've now been working with Claude Code for just over 2 months, and it's done some incredible things, but it's also made some pretty spectacular blunders. And me, I just kind of trust it. It seems to really know what it's talking about, right? It's so confident. And you start to realize, well, actually, it's got this positivity bias, which we all know about. It's got the hallucinations, which we all know about. And sometimes I just don't really know any better, and I want up going with its recommendations raw. And I figured out a great hack for that the other day. I actually connected my Claude Code to GPT's Codex. And the first time I did this, I was working on a project, and it was a fairly simple project, honestly. And I worked on it with Claude Code, and I thought the results were pretty good. And then I said, run it by Codex and ask it to tear it apart and come back with its feedback. It says Codex came back with 11 criticisms, and Claude Code said 4 of them are absolute must to implement. There are huge omissions on my part. I should have seen them. We have to implement what it says. 4 of them are also really good ideas, and I think we should do. And the last 3, we can kind of take or leave. It's your call. And I went over them. I said, you know what? Just implement all 11 of them. And just like that, in the space of a couple minutes, a project I was working on went from, I'd say, like an 80 to a 95 with almost no additional work, just by plugging in these 2 tools together. You do it once, you connect them, and now I just say, anytime I want to, hey, Claude, go run this by Codex, and immediately the project gets better, so far every single time. So when it comes to AI, I highly recommend that you use more than one. 2 brains are genuinely better than 1 in this case.